Hi, welcome to Carepatron's Healthcare OS. In this video, we will be walking through how to customize your client record template. In this video, you will learn how to customize your client record template through the client records, and customize your client record template through the settings page. Firstly, to customize your client record template through client records, navigate to the client page. Select a specific client. Go to the Personal Information tab. Select Edit on one of the sections and select Add Field. You can also add a new section by scrolling to the bottom and pressing the Add New Section button. To customize your client record template through the Settings page, go to the Settings page and press the Client Settings tab. Press the Edit button and add, edit, or delete the custom field text. Click Save. You have now customized your client record template.